Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand the second option in terms of targeting which you get inside your Google Ad dashboard, and that is language based targeting. It means you have to decide what kind of language or which language does your customer speak, and in that language you want to target those particular audience. This option comes when you create a campaign. So inside a campaign setting, you get this option, that is language setting. So by default, it says that select the language your customers speak. It means it is not your language that you want to show ads in, but it is the customer's language. Now, what can be the possible mismatch here? So for example, you are creating the ad campaign, you are creating the ad copies in, let's say, English. Your ad copies, title, description, creatives, every, kind of ad copy is using English as a language. But your target audience, let's say you are targeting maybe in, let's say, some kind of south area, or some kind of a northeast area, or maybe some kind of any other area of India, or maybe in a country where English is not the primary language, or maybe they are not able to easily understand that. Then in that case, you have to make sure that whatever language your customer understands, the same language you should apply in your Google Ads campaign as well. By default, if you don't select this, the English is the by default language which is being selected. But if you click on cross icon, by default all languages now being selected. But again, as I said, let's say if customer is searching in Hindi, for example, digital marketing kya hai? I mean, what is digital marketing? If that person is searching in Hindi and your audience, your ad copy is in English, that what is digital marketing? Then there is a clear mismatch, and your audience who is actually searching in another language is not able to understand the ad copy which is in another language. So you have to make sure that the language should be same. So whatever language you are comfortable with and you want to showcase or target audience with, you just need to search here. So you can say by default all languages is there, but instead of all language, you have to make sure that which language you want to select. So Arabic, Bengali, Bulgarian, Catalan, based on country, based on region, every possible language in this entire world is available, all the popular ones. If something is not here in the search, drop down, you can simply search for it. If it is there, you can select it. If it is not there, unfortunately, nothing can't be done. You can reach out to the Google's customer support once and ask for that. But if they don't have such options of particular language, then there is no option of saying that. Now, when you select all languages by default, what will happen? How Google will decide that, which languages your customers speak. Maybe it is a possibility that they are not searching anything on Google, just they are visiting any website, and on those websites they are seeing the ads. So Google, collects some signals from the user behavior, user search history, user, which kind of website they have visited or what kind of content they have consumed. So based on these characteristics or based on these signals, Google collects the data and identifies that which it should be the language where the customer is comfortable in consuming the content. Let's say if the customer is consuming content in multiple languages, Hindi, English, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, right? Multiple. It means that particular customer or that particular segment is able to understand all these languages, and based on Google's collection of data from different sources, Google algorithm will try to showcase the ad to those customers based on the language match. But if they are not at all browsing any data or consuming any data in your language that you are using in your Google Ads dashboard or account, then there is a clear mismatch, and in that case your ads may not be eligible to trigger. And if they also triggers, then their quality score will be very less, because expected CTR will be low, landing page experience will be low, and nobody will click on your advertisement copy because of the mismatch of the language. So this is a very small option, but a very important one when you are not so obvious about the languages, and if there is a chance of mismatch of the language, please make sure that you select this option wisely. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.